In this video, we'll test your knowledge across 5 critical areas: governance, security, data lifecycle, protection tech, and threat response. These 20 tricky MCQs are designed to challenge your thinking and get you ready for real exam pressure. Let's jump into it. What is the primary benefit of data tokenization in a cloud environment? A. Faster data retrieval. B. Reduced network load. C. Protecting sensitive data. Correct answer is C. Protecting sensitive data. Tokenization replaces sensitive data with non-sensitive equivalents, enhancing security. In CompTIA DataX, what does the term data provenance refer to? A. Data integrity checks. B. Tracking the origin of data. C. Encrypting stored data. Correct answer is B. Tracking the origin of data. Data provenance ensures data lineage and helps validate authenticity and source. Which model is used for evaluating cloud security risks in DataX? A. Stride. B. FAIR. C. OWASP. Correct answer is B. FAIR. FAR, Factor Analysis of Information Risk, is a common model for cloud risk evaluation. What is the key advantage of differential privacy in data analytics? A. Ensures absolute anonymity. B. Maintains data utility while protecting individuals. C. Speeds up computation. Correct answer is B. Maintains data utility while protecting individuals. Differential privacy adds noise to datasets while preserving statistical value. Which technique is best for detecting anomalies in streaming data? A. Linear regression. B. K-means clustering. C. Z-score analysis. Correct answer is C. Z-score analysis. Z-score helps detect outliers in real-time data streams effectively. What does the principle of least privilege imply in a DataX context? A. Granting all access to developers. B. Users get only necessary permissions. C. Encrypting user data. Correct answer is B. Users get only necessary permissions. The principle ensures minimal access to reduce security risk. Which data classification level typically requires end-to-end encryption? A. Public data. B. Confidential data. C. Metadata. Correct answer is B. Confidential data. Confidential data mandates stronger protection like full encryption. What is the role of metadata in cloud analytics? A. Visualize dashboards. B. Describe data context and structure. C. Store raw data. Correct answer is B. Describe data context and structure. Metadata gives context to data, aiding search, discovery, and governance. Which cryptographic concept ensures a file has not been tampered with? A. Symmetric encryption. B. Hashing. C. Key exchange. Correct answer is B. Hashing. Hash functions verify data integrity and detect tampering. What does ETL stand for in DataX architecture? A. Extract, transform, load. B. Encrypt, tokenize, log. C. Evaluate, transmit, label. Correct answer is A. Extract, transform, load. ETL refers to the process of moving and preparing data for analysis. Which standard governs cloud data protection regulations globally? A. ISO 27001. B. GDPR. C. HIPAA. Correct answer is B. GDPR. GDPR affects data protection and privacy laws worldwide. What process ensures that data is accurate and consistent over time? A. Data cleansing. B. Data validation. C. Data integrity. Correct answer is C. Data integrity. Data integrity maintains data accuracy and reliability throughout lifecycle. What is the advantage of multi-cloud strategy for data resilience? A. Improves performance. B. Reduces costs. C. Avoids vendor lock-in and enhances redundancy. Correct answer is C. Avoids vendor lock-in and enhances redundancy. Multi-cloud improves fault tolerance and flexibility. Which layer of cloud architecture does encryption typically occur in? A. Application. B. Storage. C. Networking. Correct answer is B. Storage. Encryption is commonly applied at the data storage layer for confidentiality. In the context of access control, what does RBAC stand for? A. Role-based access control. B. Randomized backup architecture. C. Redundant bypass authentication. Correct answer is A. Role-based access control. RBAC grants permissions based on user roles. Which tool best helps in real-time log monitoring? A. Apache Hadoop. B. LK-Stack. C. Power BI. Correct answer is B. LK-Stack. LK-Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana enables real-time log analysis. What is the main purpose of a data lake? A. Real-time analytics. B. Structured query processing. C. Store raw unstructured data. Correct answer is C. Store raw unstructured data. Data lakes allow for storing all data types in native format. How does anonymization differ from pseudonymization? A. Anonymized data cannot be reversed. B. Both terms are identical. C. Pseudonymized data is more secure. Correct answer is A. Anonymized data cannot be reversed. Anonymization removes identifying fields permanently. Which backup method captures only the changes made since the last backup? A. Full backup. B. Differential backup. C. Snapshot. Correct answer is B. Differential backup. Differential backup saves time and space by capturing only recent changes. What is a key risk of shadow IT in data governance? A. Increased performance. B. Cost reduction. C. Lack of visibility and control. Correct answer is C. Lack of visibility and control. Shadow IT bypasses official systems, creating security and compliance issues. These were just a few of the toughest questions from the DataX exam. Want full access to updated practice tests and premium question banks? Head over to CertsHero.com and start mastering your certification. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert-level practice content.